Cooking is an art, and every artist needs the right tools. This Ecowin Nonstick Frying Pan 8-inch is here to transform your cooking experience. Designed with functionality, health, and convenience in mind, this frying pan offers exceptional performance while ensuring your meals are safe and delicious. Whether you're a beginner in the kitchen or a seasoned chef, the Ecowin Nonstick Frying Pan is a must-have addition to your cookware collection. Why choose the Ecowin Nonstick Frying Pan? When it comes to frying pans, finding the right balance of durability, non-stick performance, and compatibility with various stovetops can be challenging. The Ecowin Nonstick Frying Pan ticks all the boxes. 1. Healthy cooking. Minimal oil required. Free from harmful chemicals like PFOS and PFOA, the granite coating ensures safe, toxin-free cooking. Its excellent non-stick surface allows you to cook with less oil, making your meals healthier without compromising on flavor. 2. Quick and even heating. The stainless steel base ensures rapid and uniform heat distribution, eliminating hot spots and ensuring perfectly cooked meals every time. 3. Versatile compatibility. Suitable for a variety of stovetops including gas, electric, ceramic, glass, halogen, and induction hobs. 4. Ergonomic design. The heat-resistant Bakelite handle stays cool during cooking, ensuring a comfortable grip and preventing burns. A tempered glass lid allows you to monitor your cooking without lifting the cover, reducing splatter and retaining moisture. 5. Easy cleanup. Thanks to its superior non-stick coating, cleaning is a breeze. Simply wipe with a paper towel or rinse with water. It's also dishwasher safe, saving you precious time and effort. Key features. 1. Granite Non-Stick Coating. The standout feature of the Ecowin Frying Pan is its granite coating, which delivers exceptional non-stick performance. Foods like eggs and pancakes slide effortlessly across the surface, ensuring a frustration-free cooking experience. 2. Stainless steel base. The sturdy base ensures durability and optimal heat conduction. It allows the pan to heat up quickly and evenly, preventing uneven cooking. 3. Tempered glass lid. The included lid is both functional and stylish. It lets you keep an eye on your food as it cooks while preventing splashes on your stovetop. 4. Heat-resistant handle. The Bakelite handle not only stays cool during cooking, but also provides a secure grip, ensuring safety and ease of use. 5. Multiple stove compatibility. Whether you use induction, gas, or electric stoves, the Ecowin Frying Pan is designed to perform efficiently on all types of cooktops. Benefits of the Ecowin Nonstick Frying Pan. 1. Healthier meals. The non-stick coating requires minimal oil, making it easier to prepare heart-healthy meals without sacrificing taste. 2. Time-saving performance. Quick heating and even cooking save you time in the kitchen. Whether you're whipping up breakfast or dinner, this pan delivers consistent results. 3. Hassle-free cleaning. No one enjoys scrubbing pots and pans. With the Ecowin Frying Pan, you can enjoy effortless cleanup, even after cooking sticky or greasy foods. 4. Durable build. Built to last. This frying pan maintains its performance and appearance even with regular use. 5. Cooking with confidence. The tempered glass lid and ergonomic handle make cooking safer and more convenient, giving you confidence in the kitchen. Ideal for all your cooking needs. The Ecowin Nonstick Frying Pan is perfect for a variety of cooking styles and dishes. Breakfast. Whip up perfectly cooked eggs, fluffy pancakes, or crispy bacon. Lunch. Sear meats, sauté vegetables, or prepare a quick stir-fry. Dinner. Pan-fry salmon, create creamy sauces, or caramelize onions. No matter what's on the menu, this pan is your go-to tool for reliable, high-quality cooking. Final verdict. The Ecowin Nonstick Frying Pan 8-inch isn't just a piece of cookware. It's a kitchen essential that transforms how you prepare meals. From its top-notch non-stick performance to its ergonomic design, this pan is a blend of style, function, and reliability. Whether you're an everyday cook or a culinary enthusiast, the Ecowin Frying Pan will elevate your cooking game while making it easier, healthier, and more enjoyable. If you're ready to upgrade your kitchen with cookware that delivers on its promises, don't hesitate. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.